To add your own graphic, open the Tumbler folder. On the Add Graphic layer, double-click on the Smart Object thumbnail. Once again, on the Add Graphic layer, double-click on the Smart Object thumbnail. Drag and drop your design here. Resize to fit. Go to File, then Save or press Ctrl and S together to save and close this layer. Repeat this for the next layer. To see your Tumbler in motion, go to Window, then Timeline. Go to the timeline and click the play button. If you would like a different colored platform, or no platform at all, go to the Platforms folder. Click the eye off the currently selected one, and click the eye on for the color desired. If you would like to change the straw option, go to the Straws folder. Do the same with the eyes in this folder to select the one you desire. To change the background, or add a background of your choice, double-click the Smart Icon thumbnail for backgrounds. Once one is chosen, repeat the Save option as mentioned before. Make sure that all layers are fully extended in the timeline. If you would like to add your own background, simply drag and drop, stretch to fill, and repeat the Save option. To edit the box front, go to the Box folder. And as before, double-click the Smart Object thumbnail. Double-click the Smart Object thumbnail on the Edit logo layer. Drag and drop your logo here. Resize to fit. Save and close. In the Edit box layer you can edit the text here that will appear on the box cover. Save and close. Thank you for your support.